All right guys, fast forward a couple weeks later and I got the hoses to fix the 450C. They weren't too bad. Actually, they were only 80 bucks for the pair, and the local John Deere place made them right there on the spot. So they're not very long or anything, but we had to get that in a fitting. But it's been sitting out there in the field for, I don't know, almost a month now. So I got the mule fired up here. I'm gonna throw my generator and battery charger in the mule and run out there to the field and put a charge on it. And then that way, by the time I get done installing the hoses, it should start and I can get it out of the field. Because we are going to the beach in about 36 hours and I do not want to leave the 450C sitting out in the field the whole time I'm gone. Need mirrors on this thing. I feel like I'm backing out a boat. Hey, goats. Well guys, made it all the way out here, loaded up my generator, my battery charger, got all the way out here, got it hooked up, got my tools, uncovered the dozer and got ready to put the lines on and I've been burned by John Deere again. So check out this fitting. This is the one we got. It's a little bit bigger than the other one, and I noticed that when I picked it up, but I didn't think about it being too big, and it is. You go to tighten it here, and it hits. The other one barely cleared, and this one just hits. So there's just no way that's gonna work. We're gonna need the original for sure. And apparently they don't make it anymore, so not sure what other options I might have here. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the other line and the other end of this line, and that way at least everything's capped off good. And then I'll have to take this back, and this thing's gonna have to sit out here at least another 2 weeks while I'm on vacation, and I try to figure out how to get another fitting. So figures, right?
He's got, you know, I mean, of course he's wearing fly stuff, but right. You wouldn't really know. Right.
I've got fly gloves on straight out of the bag.
There you go. Take it.
That's probably the only thing that's completely just, you know, straight off the shelf. I have so many rules of branding and stuff.
Yep.
That you can only have a certain logo. It's got to be the manufacturer's logo, a certain size. So the helmet just has one little fly logo in there. But it is a formula. And then our gear is actually made by Hot Shot. They make our gear for.
They just for us too.
Kiefer has some questions about the sleeping arrangements, Connor.
Yeah, so we talked about like the interactions between the Olympic athletes last time you were there, right?
Yeah.
Have you seen anything like that happen through the hallways or the other rooms? Anything going on there?
I'm asleep. I'm going to bed early, so I'm sure it's going to be in the background.
So, but now we saw these cardboard beds that they're kind of discouraging you athletes. Not obviously you are in a relationship and it would never happen with you, but the other athletes, we saw these beds.
On that note, they are just as uncomfortable as you could imagine.
Really?
I feel like I'm sleeping on cardboard.
And that's a standard bed for everybody?
Everybody's got the same bed. Some of the big sports, like the NBA players, the women's soccer team, they're staying in hotels. But for all the rest of the athletes, we have cardboard beds. One of our girls on our team actually brought her bed. And we were all making fun of her at the airport, and then we got here, and she looked like a genius.
Yeah, brilliant. Brilliant. Did you march in the open ceremony?
No, we chose not to. See in the background, it's like 5 hours of standing around waiting. Because you got to stage and get in line and then walk through. And we started riding the track the next day. I didn't pull my legs out.
You're also doing everything else. How's Canada looking in this BMX? Do we have anybody?
You have one representative in the men's and one in the women's. In the men's, the Canadian guy actually took a fall yesterday. I think he's okay, but he fell in practice.
Okay.
But I'll just stay back on the finish on.
Well, that's all we can do now, guys. That's par for the course. That's what you run into on some of these old machines. I just hope there's an option to get the original or something way smaller. Oh, I don't know. We'll see. It's covered up. It's sitting there. We'll get the fitting we need and come back and check it in a couple weeks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me.